Welcome to the second lesson on the command line. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the home folder, and then we'll learn two commands. One command to list all the files and folders in a parent folder, and one command to navigate to a different folder. As I did in the previous lesson, I'll start out by showing you how to navigate in Windows and then how to navigate in Mac. Let's get started. Let's learn how to navigate through Windows folders on the command line. So we're going to open up that command prompt window, which hopefully you now have pinned to your taskbar. And you can see when that window is opened up that we have a home folder. And the home folder will appear every time you open up the command prompt. And for me, it is C and then users and then my username. For you, your home folder will be C and then users and then your username. So this is a directory that has files and folders inside of it. And to find out what's in there, we're going to type our first command, which is dir. That stands for directory. So when we run that command, it's going to return all of the files and folders that are in our username folder. So you can see that I've got a whole lot of files and folders in here. So you can see that one of the folders I have in here is one called Documents. So we're going to switch our focus to open up that Documents folder. So the way we're going to do that is with a command called cd, which stands for Change Directory. We're changing the directory to Documents. And now you can see we are in the Documents folder. We've got C, users, then your username, then Documents. Let's see what's in our Documents folder. So we can do that by typing the dir command, and we'll run that. And we can see all kinds of files and folders inside of there. Now, if we want to go back up to our home folder, we do that with a special command. It's cd and then two dots, dot, dot. So that goes up one folder to the folder that we were in before. So now you can see that when we run that, we go back up to our home folder again. Now let's learn how to navigate through folders on the command line on Mac. So we're going to open up the terminal application, and hopefully if you watched the previous video, you pinned that terminal program to your dock, so it should be easy to find. So you can open that up, and when it opens up, this is going to be our home folder. So right here, this is actually just my username and the name of my Mac. And then this little tilde right here, tilde is just a little wavy line, that represents the home folder. It's like a shorthand for what the actual home folder location is. If I do this command, pwd, which stands for Print Working Directory, which we will learn about more in the next lesson, you can see that the directory that I'm in is actually users and then / Kristen Giacvone, which is my username. So it's very similar to what you saw on Windows. Okay, but we will usually be seeing this little tilde here instead of user / Kristen Giacvone or user / your username. So now let's do that printing out of all of the folders in that home folder, all the files and folders. Now we saw that in Windows, that command was actually dir for directory. In the Mac, that command is actually ls, which stands for listing all of the files. So let's run that. And we can see all of the files and folders in my home folder. And now if we want to change to go to the Documents folder, just like we did on Windows, we'll use that same command cd. So we'll do cd Documents, and that will change us to the Documents folder. And now we can run that ls to list all of the files and folders in the Documents folder. And then if we want to go back up to that folder that we were in before, which was our home folder, we would just go CD and then ... And remember that command just moves you up to one level. It moves you up to where you were before. So let's run that. And you can see with the little tilde there that we are back in the home folder. Thanks for watching this video. If you found my training helpful, please like this video and share it with others. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single lesson.